Greetings. Welcome or welcome back. If this is not your first time to this channel, where every day we do readings from the Jamaican New Testament on the teachings of Jesus. Even man, give us a follow. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Leave a like so that we know you enjoy our video. Turn on your notification bell and make sure say you subscribe. You hear me now? Make sure say you subscribe. It's happening every morning, 5 a.m. Right here, so 5 a.m. Hear me now, man? Tell a friend to tell a friend. A God word this.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
The good news about Jesus, according to Matthew 12:43-45. When one wicked spirit come out of somebody, it go through the desert and look place for rest, but no find no way. Then it say, me a turn back go to the house where me left. When it catch back there so, it find out say the house empty. The house is clean and everything neat and tidy. Then the wicked spirit go way back and bring back 7 more spirit were wicked Annie. And the whole of them go in they go live. So now that somebody they worse than how they did done before. I see him say it a go for the wicked set of people from them time, yeah. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.